Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Geometric Energy coin. Ticker symbol is GEC. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting December 7th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this project and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it was just announced, is getting a brand new central exchange listing. GEC is an intellectual property manufacturing a logistics firm that invents energy technology, delivering medical devices and software, and launches space missions. That's pretty crazy. So there is a total supply of 10 million GE coins, or GECs. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. It says on Etherscan, name of the token is GEC and ticker symbol is GEC. So it's a max total supply of 10 million coins. Technically, it's a token. It looks like it's on the Ethereum blockchain. 2,536 holders so far. It says price of the token is actually up 78.56% according to their Etherscan. Price of the token is about $3.08 right now. Fully diluted market cap of $30,800,000 and 18 decimal places on this token. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 7th, 13 hours UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then when this token gets listed December 7th, go into the trade section, search GEC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So if you go to their webpage, geometricenergy.ca, I thought the C stood for coin. Actually, it stands for Geometric Energy Corporation. So so technically it is a token. Like I said, it's on the Ethereum blockchain. Now they have different headings at the top of their page. One of them says energy. One of them says space, one of them says labs, all different parts of their ecosystem. So you can learn about all different parts of this project here. And they also have their Etherscan linked on there. They have a chart. So the good thing about a DEX Tools chart, it looks like it is DEX Tools, is that you could find some different audits on their DEX Tools chart that you can review to make sure there's good security on this token, or what warnings they have on there. We'll go over that in a second. So if you are looking for the price, you can also find that on DEX Tools. It's a great page. So it says Geometric Energy Division of Geometric Energies Corporation. And you can click read more on any one of the headings on here. So it says Geometric Energy Corporation is a state-of-the-art technology company committed to facilitating positive social change for humanity by commercializing next-generation technologies within the sustainable energy space and computing industries. So they also have some socials that you could check out that are linked on their Mexc global announcement here. As always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the page over here, but they also have a Telegram you could follow at GECERC, and they have 1,388 subscribers so far on their Telegram, doing pretty well there. And then their Twitter is just at Geometric Energy, 19,000 followers on the Twitter. And then their Twitter, you can see, has a link to their Telegram and a link to their webpage, so you can find all the links there basically. And 2,521 tweets. And in their pinned tweets, it looks like they posted a SpaceX to launch the Doge 1 moon mission. I did do a video on a meme coin called Doge 1 that I believe got listed on Bitmart or Mexc Global or something like that, or maybe both. So check that video out. There's been a few Doge 1 tokens come out in celebration of this new Doge 1 SpaceX mission. So if you want to read about that, that's in their pinned tweet here on Geometric Energy's Twitter. That's right up here. So they also develop innovative energy storage solutions. So non-toxic, non-explosive, cost-effective, sustainable alternatives to lithium-ion batteries. Solid-state sodium-ion battery production. So sodium is the 6th most abundant material in Earth's crust, spanning globally. This allows for a cost-effective, sustainable resource for new battery materials that support a climate-conscious world. Solid-state batteries significantly reduce harmful volatile responses known with traditional liquid lithium-ion batteries, while maintaining a competitive energy density required for intensive applications. So, consumer mobile devices, including laptops, mobile phones, and tablets, power electric vehicles with a non-explosive, cost-effective alternative, and uninterrupted power supplies and charging stations can use these batteries. They have advanced ionics for Sustainable Energy Lab. So Geometric Energy is partnered with the University of Calgary, a different group for research and development of next-generation battery technologies integrating novel polymer and ceramic materials. So you can learn all about that. They have some publications too, some academic publications you could read about. So they're partners with a couple different groups here, including the University of Calgary. They also have a Facebook and a LinkedIn and an Instagram at the bottom of their webpage. All sorts of information you can check out. Geometricenergy.ca. Go have a look over there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so what do you guys think about the GEC token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.